In this video, we will learn how to subtract 4-digit numbers through word problems. Now let's try subtracting without borrowing. Problem number 1. Amy has 5,974 paper clips. If she gave 3,652 of those to Carl, how many paper clips are left for her? Now let's align the digits to their respective places. And we have different colors of paper clips to represent the place value of digits. So 5,974 has 5 thousands, 9 hundreds, 7 tenths, and 4 ones. On the other hand, 3,652 has 3 thousands, 6 hundreds, 5 tenths, and 2 ones. Now following the steps, let's start subtracting in ones place. So 4 paper clips minus 2 paper clips. Let's count the remaining number of paper clips. Yes, we are left with 2. Next, let's proceed to the tens place. 7 paper clips minus 5 paper clips. Let's count the remaining number of paper clips. Yes, we are left with 2. Next, 9 paper clips minus 6 paper clips. Let's count the remaining number of paper clips. Yes, we are left with 3. Next, 5 minus 3. Let's count the remaining number of paper clips. Yes, we are left with 2. Therefore, there are 2,422 paper clips left for Amy. Another example. Ray has 2,342 pesos in his pocket. His friend Guy borrowed 1,111 from him. How much money was left to Ray? Now we have different representations of place values. The 1,000 peso bill stands for 1,000. The 100 peso bill stands for 100. The 10 peso coin stands for 10, and the 1 peso coin stands for 1. Now 2,342 has 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tenths, and 2 ones. On the other hand, 1,111 has 1,000, 100, 110, and 1 one. Now let's start subtracting in a ones place. So 2 peso coins minus 1 peso coin. Now we are left with 1 peso coin. Next, 4 10 peso coins minus 1 10 peso coin. So we are left with 3 10 peso coins. Alright, next, 3 100 bills minus 1 100 bill. Now we are left with two 100 bills. Next, two 1,000 bills minus one 1,000 bill. So we are left with one 1,000 bill. Therefore, Ray had 1,231 pesos left in his pocket. Now let's try solving some word problems that involve subtracting with borrowing. A building is 1,500 meters high and another building is 1,250 meters high. What is the difference between their heights? So this is the height of the first building, and this is also for the second building. Okay, now let's start subtracting. So 0 minus 0, of course, the answer is 0. Next, 0 minus 5. So 0 minus 5 is not possible since 0 is lesser than 5. So we need to borrow from the hundreds place. So 5 becomes 4, while 0 becomes 10. Alright, so 10 minus 5 is already possible. So let's take away 5 from 10. The answer is 5. Alright, next, 4 minus 3. So let's take away 3 from 4. We are left with 1. And lastly, 1 minus 1, that would be 0. So we can disregard the 0. Thus, the difference is 150. Therefore, the difference between the two buildings' heights is 150 meters. Another problem. Grandma harvested 4,251 apples in her garden. She sold 2,411 apples to her friend Rita. How many apples were left for her? Now let's start subtracting. 1 minus 1, that would be 0. Next, 5 minus 1, let's take away 1 from 5, that would be 4. Then, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is not possible since 2 is lesser than 4, so we need to borrow from the thousands place. So 4 becomes 3 and 2, which will be added with 10, will become 12. So 12 minus 4, that would be 8. And lastly, 3 minus 2, that would be 1. So the difference is 1,840. Therefore, Grandma has 1,840 apples left. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you learn how to subtract 4-digit numbers. If you want to learn more about subtraction, feel free to watch the next videos.